closer. Presents are a tradition at Christmas time. Another Christmas tradition is displaying a nativity. We have nativities all over our house, in each and every room. My mom collects them. I want to show you my favorites. Come on, I'll bring you along. You have to see this one. I played with it when I was a little baby. And it was my first nativity. A donkey right here, a camel right here. Here's Mary and Joseph. Moving on to the next. When I got a little bit older, my mom let me touch my glass nativity. And they have children's faces. Oh no. Have you ever had a nativity or one of these toys to play with? Comment below. I think they're awesome. I made this all by myself. Isn't that crazy? Comment below if you like making stuff and give us a big thumbs up. Here's a nativity in a snow globe. Watch. It's snowing. This one's really cool, and it's in my mom and dad's room. It's really beautiful. Look at these awesome designs. I can't wait to show you all my Christmas decorations in my room. I'll show them sometime, but for now, this is my nativity. The whole thing is smaller than my hand. They're so little. Look at the donkey. It's this big. This is another little fun one that the kids are gonna play with. This is cool. Now to go to my dad's favorite. This is my dad's favorite because we got it in Alaska. Look how funny the bears are. This one's dressed up as a cow and his tail is a bird. And this is the guy's drummer, shepherd, and a bear sheep, and a camel, a bear camel, wise man, angels, Mary and Joseph, and baby bear. I'm going to show you the big one from our front door. Come on, my mom and dad got this when they were married. And sometimes our elf comes in here and sits right there, or up there. The baby Jesus is as big as my hand. Isn't this beautiful? This is Joseph's staff. The advent calendar. Come on, let's do the advent calendar. I brought my bird Charlie out to build Legos with me, right, Charlie? Whoa! He could do this all day long. And we taught him this song. It's so cool. They even have other songs they sing too, not just this one. Nice singing, Charlie. These are awesome birds. And there we go. It looks like a cake with a flower on top. There it is. And I'm done. He's waiting for people to come. He's like, hey everybody, you want a cookie? You want to have some ice cream? Let's go to the Star Wars one. Let's start building. And there we have it. This is a dark pit with a monster in it. That people fall down and then get eaten. Nom, 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 nom. Look how I made the TIE fighter fly. There's the cake, and here's the ice cream stand, and here's the dark pit with the guy in it that eats everybody from Star Wars. If you want to see my pet bird again, Charlie, then hit that subscribe button. Hope you have an awesome day and Merry Christmas. Bye!